Inside the Ohio Penitentiary by David Myers, Elise Myers Walker, and James Daly II. Copyright 2013, The History Press. As animal factories go, the Ohio Penitentiary was one of the worst. For 150 years, it housed some of the most dangerous criminals in the United States, including murderers, madmen, and mobsters. Nicknamed the Walls, it was the stuff of nightmares, a monument to many thousands of mistakes, to quote a former Columbus mayor. Women, and sometimes children, were housed there before the opening of the Ohio Reformatory for Women in 1916. It was home to America's first vampire, accused of sucking his victim's blood 5 years before anyone ever heard of Dracula. It was also home to the world-famous prison demon, who was put on display in a specially constructed cage. The Ohio Pen was the site of the daring escape by Confederate General John Hunt Morgan at the height of the Civil War. And a devastating fire in 1930 in which 322 prisoners died, some roasted alive in their cells. "29 inmates were hanged there, and 315 electrocuted, including 3 women. Many books have been written and movies made about the Palace of Death. But inside the Ohio Penitentiary is packed with some of the best stories, and they're all true.